In this video, I will talk about the 5 most powerful tools available in 2023 and how to leverage on in order to increase productivity and efficiency at work. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nasif and I make videos about technologies that helps you professionally. So if you are interested in videos that will help enhance your professional careers, kindly subscribe to this video and don't forget to like in order to help this video reach the masses. Without wasting much of your time, the first tool on our list is Cleanup. Cleanup is actually a tool that helps you to remove all unwanted objects from your photos without losing your background. Cleanup uses inpainting, which is a retouching technology used to improve any unwanted object in a photo. This tool also comes with a background remover, which helps you to remove background from an image. Our next one is ResumeWedded. ResumeWedded is an online LinkedIn and resume grader that allows you to score your resume and LinkedIn profile. ResumeWedded does a wonderful job by checking grammar, paraphrasing, and suggesting possible ways to improve your resume and your LinkedIn profile. The next on our list is SoundRaw. SoundRaw is an AI tool that enables you to generate royalty-free music. It is actually made for creators. By simply choosing the mood, the genre, and the length, this AI will generate a beautiful song for you. Say goodbye to copyright strikes on YouTube, as this tool helps you to generate your own music. Now to the next one, Looker. Looker is actually a tool that saves you a lot of time trying to think up and design your personal logo or business logos. Looker combines your design preference with AI to make a beautiful logo that you would love. Once your logo is generated, you have access to beautiful kit templates, custom marketing assets, and website templates that you can customize for your business. If you are interested in saving money, Looker is a tool worth trying. And now to the final on our list, which is Copy AI. If you spend a lot of time thinking about what to write or what content will actually drag a lot of traffic to your website, then Copy AI is for you. Copy AI generates beautiful content in few seconds for you to use. By simply entering the keyword idea for the type of content you want and providing the AI with a context, it generates multiple content options for you to choose from. You can edit, polish, and publish at the same time. This tool will save you a lot of time generating content. And this brings us to the end of this video. Stay blessed and see you in our next one.